We all know engineering is about problem solving, but we can't always solve every problem. So I'm here at SECO in Ulster with Dave, just talking about how you can help provide solutions, look after engineers, but not just about providing the end result, a machine, a tool. There's so much more to it, isn't there?
Absolutely, yeah. We want to move way beyond just the provision of a product. You know, we look at these issues and challenges that our customers and the industry are facing. We want to know what's keeping these people awake at night. You know, is it productivity issues? Is it quality issues? Yield? Whatever that may be. We want to really understand first what those issues are. We don't want to sell a tool. GROB don't want to sell a product just for the sake of selling it. And when we get to understand those problems, we realise that we don't have the answer on our own, and GROB don't have the answer on our own. You've got to really sort of collaborate to provide that solution rather than a product. We're looking to provide a solution to overcome those challenges.
So you're basically telling me you can't always get the answer on your own, but as a team together, specialists in their own areas, in their own right, together are going to create an answer, a solution.
Absolutely, yeah. You know, we know cutting tools and GROB know machine tools, and it's one of those where you bring the sum of the parts together and the whole is greater than the sum of those parts.
So don't tell me a fine example, but a loose example. What successes have you had here?
I mean, we've had a number. For 3 years now, we've been providing constant wholesale, large holistic manufacturing improvements to our customers. We're talking OEMs, tier one, big aerospace companies predominantly.
Really?
Yeah. Time
saving, cost savings? Give us an example.
So we target a minimum 50%, and I don't think there's been an instant where we haven't been able to deliver.
50% time savings?
50% time savings.
And how are you doing this?
Again, through collaboration. And you know, we're talking beyond partnership here. When the guys from GROB are here, I don't see them as partners anymore. I see them as colleagues. You know, we're coming together with a common purpose to improve manufacturing process for our customers. And you think of it as a jigsaw. There's many parts to that jigsaw. We look at the cutting tools, GROB look at the machine tools. But then there's other parts that we may need to bring in. We bring the CAD/CAM people in to look at the strategy. Or it could be the cutting tool, the cutting fluid as well that we use. All these bits add up to make a much greater and grander sort of manufacturing solution.
So all in all, who is the perfect person to walk through your door or pick up the phone?
Anybody who's looking to really embrace change in their manufacturing, anybody who's looking beyond incremental, somebody who wants to really, really look at the holistic process and move beyond just that solution, somebody who wants technology partners to work with them, to understand their, like we say, their issues and challenges, and to take those issues and challenges away.